Hello students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn about the skeletal system. Open your books, page number 5. The human body has a framework of bones called the skeleton. The bones of the body make up the skeleton. The bones give the body a strong framework. They support the body and protect the parts inside. Framework means a structure supporting. System means an organized structure. Strong means power. Support means strengthen. Protect means shield from danger. This is the structure of human skeletal. This part is called skull. These are ribs. These are lower arm bone. These are finger bone. These are toe bone. These are jaw bone. These are upper arm bone. This part is spine. These are hip bone. This part is thigh. This part is kneecap. Important points. The human body has a framework of bones called the skeleton. The bones of the body make up the skeleton. The bones give the body a strong framework. They support the body and protect the parts inside. Words meaning. Framework means a structure supporting. System means an organized structure. Strong means power. Support means strengthen. Protect means shield from danger. Activity number 1. Fill in the blanks. The human body has a framework of bone called the dash. The human body has a framework of bone called the framework. The bones of the body make up the dash. The bones of the body make up the skeleton. The dash give the body a strong dash. The bones give the body a strong framework. They dash the body and dash the parts inside. They support the body and protect the parts inside. Activity 2. Write and learn. Choose the correct answer in your homework copies from page number 8. Thank you, student. God bless you. Stay home. Stay safe.